This is everything I ate at Chili's. First, you know we have to start off with those chips and salsa. I swear, Chili's chips are so good. They're like so thin and the crunch on them is actually insane. And then of course we had to get a crispy water. And then of course for our entree, we had to get that triple dipper. Look how good that looks. Oh my gosh. Here's Gwen doing a little cheese pull. And then here's me. We were trying to video it on her camera to get like the max cheese pull videos, but we couldn't get them because the cheese wasn't pulling this day. So I'm kind of like out of frame. But yeah, the cheese was like kind of cold, so it wasn't doing its job and we were kind of annoyed. Here's me trying to get the biggest cheese pull possible and then it just fails. And then instead of the big mouth bites, I got the buffalo wings and these were so good. Oh my gosh, probably the best thing I've had in a while. Like they were super crunchy, but like the chicken was perfect and the sauce was really good. And then of course we had to get the Chipotle chicken honey crispers. These are a fave. I absolutely love the sauce that it comes with. It's weird because it's like a very sweet sauce, but it just works so well. And Chili's chicken, they've got to be injecting it with something because it's always so juicy and tender. Another sip of my crispy water. And then I tried Gwen's regular mozzarella stick instead of the Nashville, and I've decided that the regular is better. The Nashville is just so like salty. I don't know how to describe it. And then the best thing I've literally ever had in my life was this lava cake. Oh my gosh. People weren't lying when they said this was good. I was sent to another universe, as you can tell.
It's really good.
But yeah, this is us. We literally were talking about that we should have gotten the big one because it was literally so good.
It's very hot. We shot the bag.
The only thing I wish is that it came with more ice cream on the top because it was so hot. And this is us literally scraping our dish clean because it was that good. And I think I'll be going back to Chili's just to get this again. Chili's definitely has my heart.